I'm preparing to go out today. Very hot outside. I need to pass by in the Alansari. I think I forgot my ID there last time when I go there. I cannot find my ID here in the house anywhere. I cannot find any ID here in the house. I went there last Monday, but I forgot my ID there. Very hot outside. I need the umbrella. After Alansari, I need to go straight to the training center. I need to inquire. I already bring the requirements for me for the training, and then go straight to see core group meeting and then church. Bye guys, see you later.